Hi everyone, Vivek this side. So recently I am working with a project that customer inquiry automation task. It's AI based, AI agentic based automation project. So let me just overview the project here. So there is a banking system. If there is customers were sending the emails to the banking server, so those emails will be get scanned with multiple agents which will be work behind this project. So after that the agents will be got to know and process those emails and trying to find out whatever the customer's intent and customers sentiment behind the uh, email, and trying to find out those details from the by calling first APIs, whichever I made to communicate between the agents to Postgres SQL. So that will be behind the fast APIs and fast APIs to check the customers details will be on the database or not, and whatever the customers account balance, what are the credit card transaction details. So all these are details will be on the database and the multiple agents were working behind it. So and after that get the find the intent and sentiment of the email. It will perform some task and generate a responsive email and sending back to the customer email ID also. So let me just run this script. So before that this model I have used Olama 3 server with Llama 3 model, and to train the model I have fine tuned with LoRa technology, and I have trained the model and hosted it, and I am using the trained model behind it. So base model will be Llama 3, and but after fine tuned the model, I have stored that model in the Docker also, and I am using that particular model to use it to by using it. So let me just run the script. So we'll check those emails will be get scanned, and it will be trying to find out the intent, all these are working or not. Okay, so I made the configuration like first five record it will be tagged only. So in that I didn't maintain that email ID from this in configuration. So let me just send the email, and it will be non unread format. Okay, so that will be picked up and process that particular email. Let me just rerun the script. Okay, so this email it is identified, which is having a email that to account balance inquiry. Okay, so this email got processed, and it will be processed via line chain and trying to find out the intent. So the intent will be to balance inquiry, and it will fetch the account number which will be in the email, and those email account number will be passed to the validate account API to check the account balance. To check the account is really valid or not, and after that it will be posted to get account balance, and the account balance will be retrieved from this API, and it the response will be generated that dear customer, we have processed your request successfully with the account balance, customer's name, customer's account number, which will be masked for obviously security reasons, and this available balance which will be in the DB, and those details will be also the agent will be stored it on a DB, and in audit trial as well. So this is the email it generated. Let us see, it will be goes to the real account or not. Yes, this is sent. This is the mobile number. This is the email ID email that sender has sent, that what is the account balance of my account number, and that is being processed by LLM only. So agentic workflow only. So these are the current project. Okay, so let me just overview the, I mean, orchestrator flow. So here is the workflow. Okay, so here is in orchestrator, in workflow, there is a orchestrator which will handle the execution flow of the agents, that to understand, that to classify what is the intent and what is the sentiment of that, and validate those agent with the, I mean, APIs, that account validation, and execute APIs for API selection, which will be, I mean, that balance inquiry API or any other APIs, and generate the response, and save it on, I mean, a folder, the logging folder, and that agent will be, I mean, audit agent. So this is, I mean, the workflows. And to train the model, I have used the LoRa technique. So I have fine-tuned the model with the, I mean, small data set to train the model for the, I mean, better response. So this is the script that to train the model. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so I have also hosted the same thing over, I mean, AWS as well. So the backend APIs is currently running on this server. So here is, I mean, the APIs which will be, I mean, running on Swagger, and you can check here only, I mean, whatever the, I mean, account balance of the uh, agents as well. What is the account balance of, I mean, customers as well. So here you can see the status is valid, account customer's name is John Doe, and the account number is this is, I mean, validate account API. Okay, so here also I have made so different APIs to, I mean, validate the card, account balance, whatever the, I mean, transaction details, and the statement details which will be, I mean, on uh, credit card, and whatever the, I mean, customer report, that whole customer's account details will be shown over here. So let us try that also. So here it is, I mean, hold the customer details, how much card it will be holding, and what are the statements are at present, all these details. So this is, I mean, agentic workflow I have opened recently. So here it is. Thank you for watching.